alarms are going off at Springfield Town Center. What the hell? You got the fire alarms going off at Springfield. Literally nobody gives a shit right now. Okay, the fire alarms are going off at Springfield Town Center. Look at this. I'd be willing to bet there's no fire. Just some idiot either pulled the fire alarm or they're doing a test. Oh my god, there's the cinema coming out. It's definitely not a good time to do the freights. I'm very lucky I didn't do the freights. Because there's a ton of people in the corridors right now. I'd be willing to bet. Yeah, there's people going from corridor to corridor trying to sort this out. Apparently there is an actual fire. Stores are closing down. Everyone's outside. Very interesting. Ridiculous. It's the elevators. What? That's the elevators. Look at that. That's the elevator machine. You see those two indicators?
What?
That's the elevator machine.
Oh, is it?
Maybe one of the elevators.
Set up the alarm?
I'm not sure. Maybe one of the elevators.
Alarm is going off and we can't see any fire, so probably someone.
It's probably in the machine room. One of the elevators might have caught on fire.
Somebody.
Yeah.